Hi, this is just going to be a quick video about setting up the new lab because I'm still in the process of optimizing things and figuring out how to get the best shots and all that sort of jazz. So anyway, this is my main teardown bench here, and well, not just teardown, but I basically shoot everything here, and really it's practically impossible to avoid the wall in the background here. Now, I originally, if you've been following along at home, you might remember I originally proposed maybe getting a new ESD mat that actually like an extended length one that actually went up the wall and curved up the wall, so it's like those photo light cube things, so it appears that there's no seamless background. But I don't think anyone really liked that idea. Let me know what you think about that. I've sort of gone, I thought maybe that'd be good, but I've sort of gone away from it. And the arcade cabinets here, I kind of like having the arcade cabinet in the shot. It just adds a bit of reality to the thing. Anyway, I asked this on Twitter, but I started, which I'll link in down below, so check it out and have a vote on this, link to the EEV blog forum, where I thought about maybe just keeping the wall in the background, but actually having some sort of lit EEV blog logo or sign. And these are quite popular in other YouTube channels, and I know that they work the best when they're kind of in the distant background and they've got the bokeh, that sort of blurry effect because they're way in the background. Can't obviously do that here, but I thought maybe I could actually have the EEV blog logo or the Dave head face with the hand on here. And somebody on Twitter actually did a Ghostbusters type version of that, which I really like, which I think could look good actually lit up. But let me know what you'd think. Would it be too distracting in the background, or would it actually work? I was thinking about getting a custom one made, or would the EEV blog logo with the blue and white text, and maybe with the white hand in the background, the Dave head logo lit up on the wall or something. Anyway, yeah, let us know on the EEV blog forum or in the comments down below what you think about having something lit in the background. Would it be too distracting or whatnot? Or what do you think I should do for the background here? Do you still like it? Because obviously I got the edge of the bench, I got the arcade cabinet, and it's really, because I'm always shooting things, from different angles. The camera will be down like this for some shots, so you'll actually get a lot of the wall in the background and things like that. And I'm almost certainly going to move the stupid intercom phone. That's for if people, visitors come and I've never used it, don't even know if it works. Visitors come and they want to access the underground car park and stuff, they can dial in the unit they want and answer, and you can push a button, apparently opens the door. I don't know, never actually tried it. And then I've got my aircon thing up here. By the way, here's a non sequitur. So I was thinking about moving these. If anyone has any clue how these bloody aircons work, because this thing just gets weirder and weirder over the years. I believe it's an Actron one, but if anyone's got any clue, because see if I can get this. Hopefully you can see this. Hang on, I'll just turn the lights off here, so maybe those LEDs will light up a bit better. But I always find this annoying. I think there might be something wrong with it. Usually I can just press this button. This is supposed to be just on off, and it's supposed to just turn it on off, but it never actually, hardly ever works. It'll probably work this time. You watch. If I just push it, okay? Oh, it's gone into heat mode like this, but but not in auto mode. So that actually has worked. So cool. And I can turn it off and on like that, but then it's just gone into auto mode. Okay, it goes into cool. It's going to, see, now it's completely off, right? So I had to press it a couple of times, and now it's gone back into heat, cool, and it's there's some weird convolute, it's not doing it as much as it did previously. But anyway, it's really annoying. If anyone's got a manual for this thing or knows how to use it, because I just want it to stay in auto and cool mode and then just come on and off. I never heat up this room. That's not a thing here. I just want it to go on and off, and the button doesn't seem to do that. It's really quite strange. So it has some sort of convoluted system to it. Anyway, if anyone's got any idea, let me know. But anyway, yeah, I'm probably going to move those. So I have to like fill the walls and might even have to repaint, damn. Anyway, let me know. Or the other option, one other thought I had, is to do what I do on the mailbag over here, which everyone seems to like. I did a poll on this. Everyone actually likes, most people, majority, like the TV in the background. I don't know. I might experiment with that today. I'm going to shoot a mailbag today. But anyway, I thought I've got a spare 55-inch dumpster TV down in the bunker. I thought maybe if I move the bench forward a little bit, I might be able to put the 55-inch TV, which I believe would fit and fill almost practically all of this frame, in the background, and then I could like have a blank background. I could have it green, so I could green screen something. I could have it black, like turn it off and it's just a black background, or I could have an image on there. I could have the logo, like, you know, like moving around, or, you know, something like that. Let us know. Would you like a TV in the background of this shot, or should I just leave it as it is with the daggy phone and aircon and the wall on the background and it looks real, I guess? I don't know. Let me know in the comments and EUV blog forum thread link down below. Thanks. Catch you next time.